The benefits for me particularly is I've got quite a bad shoulder from an old injury, and I tend to wiggle around and really give it a pummeling with the jets. I find that's really good, really relaxing. It's like having a massage. I'm finding it very beneficial actually for my aches and pains. Well, we had the perfect spot to put one. We were quite convinced that the people that built the house intended a spa to be in the spot, and we really like the idea, especially in the winter, of being able to have a nice hot relaxing soak before bed on a cold winter evening. Well, our place probably isn't the easiest to get to out the back, but we were assured that with a HIAB that they could get it through, which they did. Probably took them half an hour to get it into situ, if that. And then the boys filled it, and we had the electrician arrive at the same time to wire it in. He'd already been in a couple of days prior to do the hard wiring in the house from the switchboard. And the boys were really good, and they walked us through the care instructions and what to do every time we used it, and where to fill it to, and how much chemicals to use. But they were great. The tub comes with an app called Smart Tub, which you download onto your phone. It enables you to do everything remotely, which alters the temperature, lights, it tells you when it needs water. It really is very clever. Well, we love the really strong jets. It gives your back a really good workout. We love the foot jets. I just love putting my feet over those. It is nice and deep. Sometimes I feel it can be a bit deep for me, but Grant's absolutely fine with that. So I guess it's just getting that happy medium, isn't it? If you haven't used a spa before, it's great to know what they're like. If you get the opportunity at the showroom to get in one, I think in hindsight it's a good idea. We didn't take the opportunity. I've got friends that said they did it, and that was the selling point for them, was actually to get in the spa. Saying that, as I said, I found this one deep. For Grant it's not, so you're never going to get anything that suits every single person. Ideally you need to look at what you want from a spa and how many people you're going to put in it. Like, we generally only have 2 people in our spa, so it's just normally as Grant and I. Saying that, we have had 5 and 4 in it, and that's when the water starts slopping over the side, so it's quite interesting. It's a bit of fun, but try before you buy. I think if you've got the opportunity, it's a good idea.